Hi, and welcome to our intuitive abstract painting video today. I'm Terri Conrad, and this is Bloom True and Mindful Mondays. Today in this video, we're going to be exploring the art of experimentation and letting go of expectations to create a unique and interesting piece of abstract art. And when you're finished with this, you might find that you can even mat and frame your piece. We'll use watercolors. I'm using the Kuretake GANSAI TAMBI watercolors. I'm not sure how you pronounce that, quite honestly. As you can see here, and as you follow along with me, I'm just beginning with some mark making. And again, as I always remind you, there is no right or wrong. You just begin making marks, and it kind of brings that blank canvas to life. So I want to invite you to follow along with me. Have no preconceived notions of what your outcome will be. This is really more about the process. I want you to enjoy painting. I want you to be mindful of your brush meeting the paper, and even notice what you might be feeling or thinking. And if you find that your mind is not present and relatively active, take a moment, sit back, take a deep breath in, hold for a count of 4, and then exhale through your mouth. You might even want to kind of shake your arms and shake your hands loose a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and quiet my voice here, play some music, and invite you to paint along with me. Again, you can do as I'm doing. You can make the same marks. You can use the same color paint, or you can do as you feel led and inspired to do. This is okay, whatever choice you make. Remember, this is about the process and not necessarily the outcome. But I have a feeling that when we're all said and done with this project, you might end up with something that you want to put in a mat and even frame and put on your desktop or counter. So right now, let's go ahead and begin, and I hope you enjoy. So as I look at my painting, I'm feeling satisfied. I've got these black marks which have added kind of a dynamic presence to the painting, and I've placed them in such a way that allows my eye to move around my painting. And so now I'm just looking, I'm adding a little bit of this deep rust color, again, just because it feels right, it feels good. And then I'm sitting back and taking a moment to see if there's anything else I want to include. And here I add just another touch of that kind of apple green. And you can see I'm doing this intuitively. I'm not really even thinking. But as you look at my painting, you can see that there are 3 spots where the apple green is, 3 spots where the yellow is, and I love when these colors blend together. Again, it just adds interest and dynamism in the painting. As my final touch, and I do love pink, I'm adding these kind of rosy pink circles. Again, no rhyme or reason, it's just what I felt led to do. And then I'm going to load my brush with water and a little paint, and then just tap it with another brush, or you can use your other hand and tap those sprinkles and get some splatters on your paint. Again, it just adds a little bit of whimsy and a little bit of fun. Thank you so much for joining me today. This has been fun. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope you're really pleased with your painting. Do follow me at bloom_true on Instagram and at Terri Conrad Designs if you like. And be sure to click that button down below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks again, everybody. We'll see you next week.